Hello Internet, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Revant and I am working as a cloud architect. In this channel, I am creating video content about cloud, DevOps and career guidance and also some latest tech trends that's happening around the world. So if you are of that interest, consider subscribing to this channel. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. I recently passed AWS Cloud Practitioner Certification. I know the cloud experts who are already owning this certificate or who already did other certificates would be laughing when I'm saying this, because this certification is a very basic and foundational certification that you can get in AWS Cloud, but it will boost your confidence to a different level. If you are considering a cloud profile and if you pick up AWS, then definitely I would recommend you to pick up this certification. And one another reason why you need to do this certification at this time is AWS is providing 50% off on this certification till end of September. I'm giving a link in this video description where you can sign up for this certification that you can apply on your examination and you can take up this certification. As I previously mentioned, this is not a pro level certificate or an expert level certification, but it's a good entry level or a beginner or foundational level certification where it tests you against your basic cloud understanding and how the basic billing works in AWS. So it will help you to have a core and deep understanding on the AWS basics. So definitely I would suggest you to take up this certification and evaluate your basic cloud skills. On this AWS Cloud Practitioner exam, I secured 900 out of 1000, whereas I secured 90% of the marks just by doing these two things. Number one, I have gone through AWS Cloud Practitioner specific course within aws.training.com. I am giving the link down in the description. Just go through the video lessons and I think it's not going to take more than 8 hours. It's going to help you to have a good understanding on what AWS regions are, availability zones, and what are the different storage options, what are the different databases that's available within AWS, and cost estimations and the security options that is in AWS. You'll be having a good understanding on all these topics. Number two, I have taken up an Udemy course where it's not a training material, it's just a mock-up test. It's going to give you 5 different AWS Cloud Practitioner mock-up tests, where if you can crack at least 2 of them with more than 80%, then you are good to go with the actual Cloud Practitioner certification exam. Then you can easily crack the exam. I personally felt these mock-up exam are a bit tougher than the actual exam, because the actual exam was quite easy, but this course, this AWS training course and this mock-up certification exam is going to help you to crack the exam in the first attempt so that you can save some bucks. And one another major reason to pick up this AWS cloud certification is, so what are the second exam that you are going to take up in AWS? For example, if I am going to do some architect level exam, by doing this cloud practitioner exam, I am getting 50% off on the cloud architect exam. So which means I can save a lot here, because this cloud practitioner exam is going to cost me $100 without any offer, but I use this coupon code from AWS Certified Challenge. I am getting 50% off on any of my next AWS cloud certification, which means if I do this AWS cloud architect certificate now, for example, if it's going to cost some 5,000 USD, now it's going to charge me 2,500 USD. If I did cloud architect in the first place, I would have to pay the full amount. This is where I saved a lot of amount. Now I'm planning to do the other certifications like DevOps and cloud architect certification just to validate my skill set. I'm going to talk about that experience as well. If you are jumping into the cloud space, if you are already into cloud space, then this channel is going to provide you a lot of value. That's why I ask you to consider subscribing to this channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, signing off, your Revant. I'm in the cloud architect. See you. Bye.